Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of this Beetles gel polish kit. I purchased this kit from Amazon for $27.99 and it comes with 20 colors. Here you'll see the application guide that has detailed instructions on how to apply the gel polish. And here are all the polishes included in their kit. Now they did offer a variety of colors, but these are the colors I chose. Be sure to check Amazon if you're looking for different colors. Okay, so first we have the matte top coat. Then we have the base coat or base gel, and then the top gel, top coat. Okay, and here are the colors. 325 is white. 326 is going to be a light pink. 327 is a peach color or a light orange. 328 is orange. And 329 is hot pink. Can't wait to try that one. 330 is red. 331 is brown. 332 is a very light purple. 333 is a gray blue. 334 is a light blue. 335 is a royal blue. 336 is a navy blue. 337 is yellow. 338 is a hunter green. 339 is maroon. 340 is a beautiful silver glitter. 341 is a gold glitter. 342 is a copper tone. 343 is gray. And 344 is black. This is everything included in their kit. I'll definitely be putting this kit to use in the next few videos, so stay tuned for that. And as always, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next nail video.